Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where all the bubbles are for week 3 of the store visiting event in Heartopia. So if you go to the planet section, there's the store visiting one. And we have 2 more riddles left, so view riddle for this one first. Riddle fashion recommender. And then press on it, looking for recommendations on which brick set to buy. Head to the intersection near the clothing store and ask Azour, the festival ambassador. She might have ideas. So that would be just near Azour, so let's go there. As you can see, it is near Azour here, and you'll see the bubble on this bench. You're just going to claim that. And so for the second one, let's read the riddle again. So, blooming smile, Blanc steps into the brick store and gets startled by the owner's warm smile. Well, he'd probably feel safer tending to his flowers alone. So, for that one, we're just going to go to Blanc, and you'll find the bubble in front of his store over here. Gonna jump over this umbrella and get the bubble. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.